He's kicking steps for me and everything. Superb, boss. Aye, axe out. Take your time. Oh! Oh no! Harsh, man.
Oh, it's so cathartic.
Get that anger out. Alrighty folks, how's it going? Back out today after that Buachaille trip last night. And what we're doing today is Buachaille Etive Beag, which is an excellent beginner's Munro, well 2 in fact, any time of the year, cracking introduction to Glen Coe as well. I'm also out with another YouTuber. I'll just flip the camera, you may or may not recognise him. There he is. How's it going, Stephen?
Hello. You caught me mid-flight.
Mid-drone.
Mid-drone. Where are we going? Up?
Up, aye. So they've certainly done a good job of the path. Nice big staircase up to the Buachaille. So if it's been quite windy, Stephen is going to fly the bird because it might be the last chance he gets. 3, 2, 1, lift off. Whee!
Fly, my pretties, fly!
I have not done nearly enough filming. Been chatting away to Stephen about cameras and YouTube and mountains. I've hardly done any filming. Anyways, we're doing the grunt up now. The path forks off down the bottom there. Because we were talking too much, we just carried on down the bottom path. So remembering, veer off to the left. I don't know if the mic can pick this up, but it's really windy at the moment. So it's going to be blustery at the tops. The plan today as well was more about doing some winter skills with Stephen, but it's been a poor winter so far. We might get 1 or 2 snow patches. We can get him out on a run and do some practice ice axe arrests. Hey Stephen.
Yeah. I was looking my head. Yeah. I was looking forward to sliding uncontrollably downhill, upside down.
With an axe.
With an axe, and also my
Cheers.
my expectation for this trip was, you know that scene in Vertical Limit where the guy runs and jumps with the 2 ice axes? That's what I was hoping to be doing.
We can do that, that's fine.
We can do that, okay.
I'll find a gap. Right, shall we push on?
Yeah. Sun's out. Bum's out. It's getting serious now.
It is, mate. Cut those steps, mate. Get the heels in. Stephen has found snow. Right, he's kicking steps for me and everything. Superb, boss.
Might have to use my hands.
Aye, axe out.
Slip and fall to your death at any minute.
Take your time. Oh! Oh no! Axe! Well, that's us reached the Buachaille. It's just gone midday. I think the plan is we're going to do Dubh first, because that's got the most snow. We'll get this guy doing some self-arrest hopefully. But the snow so far has just been too soft and powdery. We might get some more consolidated stuff up there.
Consolidated. It's a good financial term.
It is, isn't it? Right, we're slipping about a little bit. Do you fancy putting the crampons on? Get a bit of practice?
Go power crampons.
Sorted. Go gadget. Crampons.
Go gadget. Guys mixing up with the Power Rangers.
It works.
Go power crampons.
Right, let's get sorted. So I've gone for these Catula walking crampons. I think they're the KTS, and they're absolutely perfect for doing the easier Munros. You can fit these over trainers and regular boots. These are for up to size 8, and to be honest I wish I sized up because they just fit onto these and no more. And I could have done with just a slightly longer bar for getting onto more chunky boots. But no, they're on, that's them, ready to roll. So which ones did you opt for, Stephen?
Grivel G12s. I went onto a forum where people were discussing which ones to buy, and these popped up as being a good sort of
all-rounder.
a good option. Yeah, they use the pneumatic system.
Right, let's do this. Should be up there in about 15-20 minutes. Well, depends how much filming Stephen does. We reached the summit of Dubh at 956 metres. This is a Munro and one of two on Buachaille Etive Beag. It was a little bit too windy for vlogging, but Stephen did manage to get his drone up for some cracking footage. But listen, if you're up this way, do walk along the ridge just a little bit further along for this classic view down Glen Etive. You've got Glen Etive there, there's the walk. Do it. Harsh, man.
Oh, that's so cathartic.
Get that anger out.
Take that, Scotland!
Can just make out the Coast Guard helicopter there hovering round Buachaille Etive Beag, one of the sisters there. Hopefully no one's injured and they're just training. Okay folks, we found a nice little run here. I think Stephen's going to have a wee practice self-arrest. It's not too bad down there. You ready?
Let's go.
How are we going to film this?
Well, I could give you my camera.
Sure.
You could shoot on that. And I could have this. I could probably drop it in that pocket.
Cool. Let's do it. I'll set this up as well.
Nice. Slide, go this way.
Roll over on your side.
Go that way and get on top of this like this. Oh, probably put my hands here so that the spike doesn't disembowel me on the way down.
Okay. It's not going to happen, is it? Nah.
Okay, go on. I have an idea. I'll do this and then I'll go back and slide down it.
There it is. 3, 2, 1, go. Any better? Pathetic.
Yeah, I'm just going to stand like this, be close.
Well, it's 20 to 4. We've not got enough time to do the other Munro there, so we're calling it quits here. But just before doing this trip yesterday, I was on the SAIS website, which is the Scottish Avalanche Information System. Great source for getting your snow conditions. And then I went on to MWIS, which is the Mountain Weather Information Service. Two cracking sites just to plan ahead. But anyways, we're going to call it a day. Remember to check out Stephen's channel. But otherwise, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Cheers.
Bye bye.